Now, carbon forms covalent bond, and you found that in graphite, out of 4 valence electron, how many valence electrons are free?
One.
One.
So in a graphite overall, it is hexagonal structure. It is hexagonal structure like this. Yes, all the carbon in this sheet of graphite, you will find one carbon atom is connected with how many carbon atoms? Other 3 carbon atoms, right? So
Yes.
out of 4 valence electrons, 3 valence electrons are found in yes, 1 valence electron is free. That makes graphite able to conduct electricity. Yes. Now covalent bond. What?
Covalent bond.
What is covalent bond?
Bond formed by the sharing of electrons.
Yes. Covalent bond,
Formed by
a bond
of electrons.
formed by
Sharing
sharing of
of electrons.
electrons. Hey, girls. Bonds formed by sharing of electrons. So, covalent bond will be formed. What? Covalent bond will be formed between nonmetals. Covalent bond will be formed between nonmetals only. Why? Why?
Because they are electronegative in nature.
Yes, great. Non-metals are electronegative in nature. Now, what do you mean by electronegativity?
They have a tendency to gain electrons.
Electronegativity is the property of an element due to which the element shows tendency of what?
Gaining electrons.
Gaining electron or sharing electron. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, nonmetals have the tendency of gaining electron or they have tendency of sharing electrons.
Sharing
If the bond
electrons.
is formed between two nonmetals, if the bond is formed between two nonmetals, that is, then the bond will be what? Covalent or electrovalent?
Covalent. Covalent.
Covalent. Very good. Now, this is hydrogen molecule.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So, in what way the atoms of hydrogen are bonded or linked? Here, let us see. Hydrogen. One hydrogen atom, it has one valence electron.
One
Another
valence
hydrogen
electron.
atom, it has also one valence electron. Now, do the sharing. So, this hydrogen atom has got now how many electrons?
Two.
Two.
This hydrogen atom has also got how many electrons?
Two electrons. Two.
Yes, this pair of electron which has been shared between the two species here, that pair of electron is known to be shared pair. What?
Shared pair.
Shared pair electron. Understood? And due to this sharing, the force of attraction exists. But this force of attraction is comparatively weaker than the force which is found in electrovalent or ionic bond. Mind it.
Sir, please repeat it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Repeat it.
please repeat it.
The force which exists due to attraction here by the sharing of these two electrons, that is comparatively weaker force, while the force of attraction which exists in the case of electrovalent bond, that is a stronger one, because in case of electrovalent bond, the bond is formed due to complete transfer of electron, and when there is complete transfer of electron, what happens? Due to complete transfer of electrons, one species get positively charged, another species get negatively charged, and there is strong force of electrostatic attraction, or you can say strong force of attraction due to electrostatic charges. In opposite charges, more stronger force exists. They attract each other with greater force. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if you form H2O, in H2O, the bonds are hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, two atoms of hydrogen, one this side, one this side. What is the number of valence electron of oxygen?
6.
What is the number of valence electron in hydrogen?
1.
Okay, hydrogen will share like this hydrogen will share like this. So for both the hydrogen, the duet is complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For oxygen, it will be like this. Now, how many electrons oxygen has?
8.
68.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what did you find here? You found that the electrons which are shared, those electrons are counted on both sides. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Shared pair of electrons are counted on both sides. Now,
Both
sides.
sides. Both sides.
so that is why oxygen is counting this electron and this electron in its own electron, and it got 8 electrons. Hydrogen has counted this electron of oxygen in its own, and it has got its duet. In the same way, it has got its duet. Right? So hydrogen has completed duets, hydrogen has completed duets, and oxygen has completed its octet. So all these
Octet.
three species, that is two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen, get satisfied, become stable, and they exist in the form of a compound called H2O, that is water. In this way, molecule of water is formed by covalent bonding. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So I think bonding is clear. Now, versatile nature of carbon. What?
Versatile nature of carbon.
Versatile nature. What do we mean by the word versatile? Huh?
Multi-talented.
Multi-talent.
Multi-talented. More than one creature.
Yes.
To exist in
Something
different.
which has multi-talent, multi dimensional
It has multi-features.
quality
One
as
feature.
so
More
why
than one
carbon is
feature.
versatile? Why? Because carbon react with many other elements. In this nature, carbon has formed that many number of compounds which is more than the number of compounds formed by all other elements. यानी सिर्फ कार्बन ने अकेले जितने कंपाउंड बना दिए हैं, बाकी अदर सारे एलिमेंट्स का कंपाउंड एक तरफ, कार्बन का एक तरफ, कुछ इस तरह है, तो इसको वर्सेटाइल नहीं कहेंगे.
Yes, yes, sir.
ये एलोट्रोपी भी शो करता है, ये सॉफ्ट भी है, ये हार्ड भी है, ये गुड कंडक्टर भी है, बैड कंडक्टर भी है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it reacts, it forms long chain. Due to the covalent bond formation, it forms long chain, and due to ability of forming long chain in a compound, it is also known as versatile. It helps carbon to form many number of compounds. Okay, the ability of forming long chain is termed as the ability of forming long chain of covalent bond.
Catenation.
Catenation. Catenation. Okay. Due to its tetravalency, it has option of forming covalent bond with many other elements, with oxygen also, hydrogen also, nitrogen also, sulfur also, chlorine also. So this is the versatile nature of carbon. Carbon can make compounds with many other elements due to its tetravalency. Carbon forms long chain due to its catenation property. Carbon can form stable compounds due to the suitable force of attraction existing between the atoms of the compound formed by the carbon. Okay. So due to all these reasons, carbon is said to be a versatile element. What? A versatile element. So girls, we should stop here itself for today. In the next class, we will start saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर आप मेरा अटेंडेंस बना है अंतिमा का?
सर मेरा शान का